Hi guys, it's Chloe from Chloe and More. Today I'm doing cleaning up the slime studio part 2. Part 1, I cleaned up this half. Now part 2, I'm cleaning up this half.
Don't look at me and comment down below.
Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications and comment down below, what is your favorite cleaning supply? Clorox. So let's get going. Sorry guys if this is a little rickety because my cameraman isn't here today. We'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Guys, thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.